Welcome to the Spread Hunter Daily Safari for the last day of February 2018. Well, traders wanted vol. Guess what? Now we got it. This is the most vol we've had in the last 2 years, and it is taking the form of two-way trade, buying and selling. Friday and Monday, we were up 350 points each day, a total of 90 S&P points, 90 handles, or 9 points in the SPY, which is 18 strikes. Tuesday and Wednesday, we lost over 300 points each day to the downside, which took us back, for those 90 handles, we've given back 75 of them, or 7.5 S&P points, 15 strikes. Today, we rose 20 from out of the gate, from 274 to 276, sold off to unchanged, rose another 20, almost to the high of the day, rallied almost to the high of the day, rallied back to 276, and in the last hour, the S&P sold off 40 points, 4 S&P points. It went through 8 different strike prices. Closing the week, only 1.5 S&P points from the weekly low. A couple of trades that I wanted to highlight for today. Well, the first one would be the S&P, the SPYs. And you can see this one put that closed at 22 cents. It actually expired today. This is for expiration 2/28, which is today. We now have 3 expirations, by the way, in the SPY, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You know, pretty soon they're going to expire every time you take a deep breath. But this option, which had traded well under a dime. I wasn't watching it at every tick, but I know it traded below 10 cents, maybe as low as 8 or 7. And on the sell-off, it went right back to over 30. I saw it at 30 cents, and I don't know exactly what the high was. Now it closed the day and expired at 9 cents. This 22 you see on the screen is not correct. And another stock that did something not quite as dramatic as the SPY was Microsoft, which came out of the gate, was strong all day. This spread, which expires Friday, which you can see here at 6 cents, closed last night at, I think, 10, maybe 11. And I know I saw it trade from our customer base. It traded up to 30 cents. One of our customers was long it, sold it at 30 cents, and you can see where it's back to 6. You want to get long it again? Yeah, I don't know if it'll go back to 30 cents, but I'll bet you it goes, you got to look here and see that only 50 cents will double the price of this spread. It'll go from 6 to 12. So if that appeals to you, and it does to me, to put up 6 cents to make 6 cents, I'll do that every time. And that's really the highlights of the day. But these unbelievable swing trades in the SPY particularly, which has the most liquidity of anything, that I've seen since the heyday of the OEX pit. You can buy and sell 5, 10, 15, 20 cent options that are doubling and tripling multiple times in a day. It really, really doesn't get any better than that. And, I recommend that you pick your spots, wade in, buy yourself a 10 or a 20 lot, and double and triple your money for the day. And then call it quits, because nobody knows where it's going next, but it goes to one extreme, and then it gives up the ghost and goes to the other. So that's all we got for today, the last day of February 2018.